We think it's a boy. I'm the auntie, and I think it's gonna be non-binary. Hi, I'm Auntie Gertrude, and I know the gender. Hi, we're the gay uncles, and we think it's gonna be a girl. Hey, I'm your cousin, and I think you're gonna be a stick.
How you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Ay! Next! Ate Jo! Ate Jo! Ay, gaganon kayo. Uy! Grabe naman to ng stretching na to. Kaya ko yan. Si Kuya. Grabe ko pala yung ano. Next. Break ko. Grabe naman. Ay, kaya natin yan lahat. Kaya natin. Sample nga. Di ba nag-gas break kayo? 5, 6, 7, go! Parang Jordan Bulls. Grabe si JR. Wala ko yung JR.
What's up, everyone? It's Nika! Hi po, ako po si Stacy! Hi guys, I'm Sheena! Hi guys, I'm Colette! Oh, hi, I'm Glenn! What's up, it's Joanna! And we are Beanie!
Comfort food. 1, 2, 3. Ice cream. Number. 1, 2, 3. 8. Wala naman 3, blank. Blue. Pet. 1, 2, 3, dog. Fruits. 1, 2, 3, mango. Mango lang yung iba.
Beanie makes cute and funny faces.
1, 2, 3.
Ganda.
Ay, effortless naman ang pagiging cute.
10 seconds.
Ayan.
9.
Okay.
More.
Thank you.
Joanne.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Ayun, hindi ko na po alam.
7, 8, 9, 10 seconds.
Gwen.
10, 9,
Aura ka na lang, Gwen. Model ka.
7. Oo, aura lang.
Ah, gano'n. Tapos sa amin, gano'n yung aura.
Pangiti ng sarili kahit mahirap.
Uy! Make face, uy! Make face, uy!
Face, make face.
Funny.
Ayan.
Sakit kasi ng labi ko.
Yan. Mata-mata. Close your eyes. Roll. Ayan. Okay, thank you. Ayan. Yun o.
Ate pala yung manikang sira. Yung manikang sira. Yung nagbe-blue na...
Ay, ayan.
Panalo na po kami.
Stacy.
Sabihin natin.
Let's go,
Tina.
Sandy!
Galing.
Nagugulat! Kinakabahan!
Okay.
Sasayaw kayo. Sasabayan niyo.
15, 13, 14, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. Last 15. 3, 2,
1.
How about let's roam? Let's go around. I'll connect to the Wi-Fi first. Are you serious? I don't think so. Baka tulog na lang sila. Hindi pa natin nahanap. Wow. Guys, ligo na tayo. Ano guys, magsano ba sa balon? Uy, may mission. Oh, you read that be if you can read. Cute. It's Polaroid. This one, Polaroid. Lagi na lang magagalit mga tao dito. Cute.
I think we're the first one here.
Pwede tayo mag-vlog. Hindi mag-vlog tayo.
You're watching this for you. And you.
Sipag naman ng
And you.